Hey there, fellow foodies! Today, we're going to talk about something that is close to the heart of every Indian: street food. The vibrant and diverse Indian street food scene has been around for centuries, and it's a reflection of the country's rich cultural and regional influences. Let's dive into the history and evolution of Indian street food. First things first, did you know that street food in India can be traced back to ancient times? During the Mughal era, street vendors used to sell kebabs and bread on the streets of Delhi. Over time, the food offerings expanded, and today, we have a vast array of dishes that cater to every taste bud. One of the most famous street foods in India is chaat. This savory snack is a staple in North Indian cuisine and is a perfect blend of flavors and textures. It originated in the streets of Old Delhi in the 18th century and has since become a popular snack all over the country. Another classic street food that has stood the test of time is the vada pav, which is a street food favorite in Mumbai. This humble dish comprises a deep-fried potato patty, sandwiched between a pav, a type of bread, and served with a tangy chutney. But street food in India is not just about the classics. With the passage of time, the street food scene in India has undergone a significant transformation. Today, you can find a wide range of fusion dishes that incorporate local and international flavors. For instance, the popularity of Chinese cuisine in India has given birth to the Indo-Chinese street food trend. This fusion cuisine is a unique blend of Indian and Chinese flavors, and dishes like the chicken Manchurian and chili paneer have become street food favorites. Another popular fusion street food trend is the South Indian-inspired food trucks that can be found in many Indian cities. These trucks serve up dosa, idli, and other South Indian dishes with a twist, catering to the tastes of modern India. So, what makes Indian street food so unique? Well, for starters, it's incredibly diverse, reflecting the country's many regional cuisines. Street food in Mumbai is vastly different from the street food in Kolkata or Chennai. Additionally, street food in India is incredibly affordable, making it accessible to everyone. It's not just a meal for the poor, but a popular choice for the rich and famous as well. As with any cuisine, there are concerns about the hygiene and safety of street food in India. However, with increased awareness and regulations in place, the street food scene in India is becoming more regulated, and vendors are adopting better hygiene practices. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some popular street foods that you simply cannot miss if you ever find yourself in India. One such dish is the famous chole bhature. This North Indian delicacy consists of spicy chickpeas cooked in a blend of aromatic spices, served with fluffy deep-fried bread. It's a must-try for all foodies. Another dish that you cannot miss is the mouth-watering pav bhaji. This street food favorite is a medley of mashed vegetables cooked in butter, served with a buttery pav. It's a perfect comfort food that is both filling and delicious. For those with a sweet tooth, Indian street food has a lot to offer as well. One of the most popular sweet dishes is the jalebi, which is made by deep frying a wheat flour batter into spirals, then soaking them in sugar syrup. It's a sugary delight that is sure to satisfy your sweet cravings. Indian street food is not just about the food, it's an experience in itself. The hustle and bustle of the street markets, the aroma of spices, and the sheer variety of food offerings are a treat for all senses. So, the next time you visit India, make sure to explore the vibrant street food scene and indulge in the country's rich culinary culture. And that concludes our journey through the history and evolution of Indian street food. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the rich culinary culture of India and the various influences that have shaped its street food scene over the years. From humble beginnings as a necessity for the working class, street food has now become an integral part of the Indian food culture. It not only provides affordable and delicious food but also reflects the diverse cultural and regional influences of the country. It's fascinating to see how different regions have their own unique street food specialties, which are a reflection of their local culture and traditions. And the best part is that these dishes are now enjoyed by people of all walks of life, from locals to tourists, and are even gaining popularity around the world. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with one important message. While street food is delicious and tempting, it's important to be mindful of hygiene and sanitation when indulging in these treats. Look for stalls that are clean, have a high turnover of food, and avoid anything that looks stale or has been sitting out for too long. Remember, the key to enjoying street food is to do it safely and responsibly. Thank you for joining me today on this culinary journey, and I hope to see you again soon. Until then, happy eating! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more food-related content. Until next time, happy eating!